Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Player. Today we are going to discuss a simple problem related to linked list. So the problem is how we can get the nth node data from a given linked list. Means we have a linked list with some data with nodes, and we want to find the nth position node value. What is the nth position node data? So for this, the problem is get nth node in the linked list. So the algorithm is first we will take a temp node. We will create a temp node in which we will put the head node of the linked list, and we will initialize a count variable integer type which will have an initial value 0. Now we will scan the linked list till the linked list will be null or we find the data, and inside this while loop we will check if count equal to index. Index is a given position, means nth node, which will be the input which we have to find. So if count equal to null, then we will return the temp dot data, means this is the position which we were searching about. So we will return temp dot data, means found the nth node, and if not found, if condition is not true, then we will increment the count value as count plus plus, and we will move temp to the next, means temp equal to temp dot next, means we are moving to the next node. Now we will do this process till we find or the linked list scanning is completed. This is the end of while loop. Now if we didn't find, then we didn't return this, means the program is still in execution, so we have to return something. So here I'm returning -1. -1 means we didn't find the node in that linked list, means node input node does not exist in a given linked list. And the complexity of this algorithm would be O(n), because you have to scan the whole linked list. So worst case complexity would be O(n). If you don't know about the complexity or big O notation, then you can search about it online, or you just have to wait. We will soon release the tutorial about the complexity. Now take a look at the program. So I did created a class get nth node, and the node static class by which we will create a new node, and the previous item method which will insert a node in the given linked list, means linked list would be empty, then we have to insert some node. So I'm inserting these 6 nodes with the value 10, 16, 21 and so on. If you run this code, and there's a print linked list method, this will print the simple linked list data, and there's a main method. So if you run this program, so simply we have initial items 10, 16, 21, 34, 27 and 9. Now I did created a method get nth node, just doing uncomment. Then if you check the node, I'm taking index, means nth node which we have to find, and as algorithm says we will creating temp node, and in this temp node we were pointing head node. Now initialize a variable count as 0, then perform while loop till temp not equal to null, means linked list is ended. And if count equal to index, means we find the data, we find the position of the node as given, and then we have to return temp dot data, means we have to return the value of that node. Now if we didn't find, means count not equal to index, then we will increment count as count plus plus, and temp equal to temp dot next, means we are moving to the next node. Now this while loop will execute till we find the data, and it will return, or the linked list would be empty and we didn't find the data, then it will return -1. -1 means we didn't find the data. So I just call this method system.out.println nth node equal to list dot get nth node method. So this I'm calling this method in system.out.println. So if you see the output of the program, then initial item initial linked list have node 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I'm providing input 11, means this node, this index does not exist in a linked list. So what will happen if you run this program? It will return that nth node data is -1, means the node does not exist, so we didn't find the data. If you say you are providing input 3, then save it and then run it. you will get the node 34, means 0 1 2 3, the third position node value is 34, so you will find the data equal to 34. That's it for today's tutorial. You can search about the algorithm, more algorithm. You can have your own logic, then you can implement by another way if possible. You have logic, you can comment in the YouTube comment section, so that I can provide the next version of this same problem tutorial with your name, that that your solution is best. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.